Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Dirah binti Ahmed Khalid. Today, I want to present my final year project and the title is Non-Woven Bamboo Material for Suspended Solid Oil and Grease from Kitchen Wastewater. For the background study is, suspended solid oil and grease are derived primarily from cooking byproducts. Without proper treatment, suspended waste, oil and grease will deposit, cause sewer blockage due to sanitary sewer overflow, land floods, and sewage pollution of water bodies. And it will affect on human health and aquatic life. Other than that is using of non-woven polypropylene. Non-woven polypropylene is not biodegradable one. So, I would like to produce a trapped suspended solid oil and grease for pre-treatment using of bamboo fiber. Bamboo fiber has good absorbent, biodegradable and environmentally friendly, and it also contains a bacteriostasis to fiber form. Then, I would like to determine the effectiveness of a bamboo fiber over other material. For the problem statement is, when the suspended solid oil and grease are poured into the sink without using a trap for pre-treatment, the suspended solid oil and grease will flow into the drain and river and cause the drainage, blockage, and eutrophication process, and it will affect on the aquatic life. Other than that is using of non-woven polypropylene. Non-woven polypropylene is not biodegradable, and it will cause contamination of plastic in the water bodies, and it also causes contamination of plastic in landfills. So, in my project, for the research objective, the first one is to prepare of non-woven bamboo trapped suspended solid oil and grease, and the second one is to conduct testing COD, total suspended solid and oil and grease using non-woven bamboo trap. And the last one is to determine the effectiveness of using bamboo fiber over other materials. For the scope of study and limitation, the test will run at Cafeteria UTH and Pago, and the test will be conducted is only COD, suspended solid, oil and grease. And the test will be conducted 1 week every day for 5 days. Characteristics of kitchen wastewater. We have two, physiochemical and microbiological. Dissolved oxygen is one of the parameters to check in the quality of water. The dissolved oxygen is influenced by suspended solid and heavy metals. For microbiological, bacteria and fungi, it is used in detoxify acid, mineral off, and other contaminants in wastewater. For the effect of kitchen wastewater, we have two, environment impact and health impact. For the environment impact, it will cause nutrient overabundance in receiving water, such as sulfur and phosphorus, and it will lead to the eutrophication. When the eutrophication occurs, it will be mortality of aquatic life, such as fish and plants. And for the health impact is when the presence of E. coli and Salmonella, it will cause the disease such as vomiting and nausea. For the pre-treatment of kitchen wastewater, how to conduct or use pre-treatment in the kitchen of wastewater. First, use suspended Soli, oil and grease trap. Then, sorting and removing the large debris. And the last one, never pour oil, fried oil down drain line. So, this is an example of pre-treatment of kitchen wastewater. So, this is method available for suspended Soli, oil and grease, such as Trapzilla supercapacity grease trap, carbon fiber trap, Aqua Bio Pro, and BioWish Aqua. So, what the advantage of using trap in kitchen for pre-treatment trap? First, prevent suspended Soli, oil and grease. It avoids blockage in the main sewage pipe. Other than that, it's economical. It helps to save money on sewer maintenance and repairs. It also prevents the enterprise from temporarily closing due to odors or blockage. And the last one is environmentally friendly. It prevents nutrient-rich overspill into our waterways and providing a healthier atmosphere for future generations. So, in this project, I would like to produce a non-woven bamboo material for suspended Soli or grease for kitchen wastewater treatment. So, what is non-woven? Non-woven is made up of long fiber that have been bound together by chemical or mechanical means. There is no weaving or handkerchief. This is an example of non-woven fabric. What is bamboo fiber? Bamboo fiber is bamboo plants that are cultivated spontaneously, and cellulose fiber manufactured from the pulp of the bamboo plants. The bamboo cellulose is a plant that can be cultivated in depressed areas, and it takes little time to mature. So, what are the features of bamboo fiber? The first one, bamboo fiber, is absorbent of UV radiation. Bamboo fiber has contained sodium copper chlorophyllene. Other than that, biodegradable and environmentally friendly. It produces no hazardous waste and safe landfill space. Other than that, contains a bacteriostasis to fiber form. Bamboo has antibacterial qualities and includes natural bacterial components. So, what the bamboo application available in market? The first one is yarn or clothing bag made from bamboo fiber, such as towel, t-shirt, and others. Other than that is bamboo fiber also used as decorative series, such as curtain and wall. This is a methodology of the process of non-woven bamboo material for suspended Soli or grease for kitchen wastewater. Preparation of bamboo. The first one is bamboo is washed, and then it will be going to soak, and then it will be going to extract, and the extraction will further to the drying process. Preparation of non-woven bamboo. The fiber will be going to carding process, and then cross-lapping, And the last one process is in needle punching machine. In this research, we use COD testing. For the COD testing, the first one is standardization of FAS solution, and the second one is we use digestion, and the third one is we use titration, and the last one is we calculate the COD testing. For total suspended solid, we record the initial weight of crucible, and then we filter the sample using Webman filter, and then we take the 10 ml filter sample in the crucible which contain total suspended solid, and then we place the crucible inside the oven to heat. Then we cool the sample to room temperature and record the final weight of crucible. For oil and grease testing, we use 3 different samples is taken from the site every day for 5 days. Rinse the sample vials with 30 ml of 100% of hexane and the drain of aqueous layer and a small amount of organic layer, and it will further by drain only the explicit solvent through a funnel with pre-moistened filter paper and 10 grams of natrium sulfate for sample with less than 5 ml of emulsion. Then we extract 30 ml solvent from the sample of container. Then we combine the extract in a test distilling flask and then add 10 to 20 ml of solvent to the flask for a final washing of the filter of natrium sulfate. Then distill the solvent from the flask in water bath at 85 Celsius. And the last one, fill the sample bottle to the mouth with water. Pour the water into 1 liter graduated cylinder to determine the initial sample volume. This is the calculation of efficiency for testing. The first one is chemical oxygen, total suspended solid, oil and grease. And we want to calculate the total of efficiency of chemical oxygen, total suspended solid, oil and grease by use total efficiency. So, for my expected result is, the first one is successful producing non-woven bamboo material for total suspended solid, oil and grease for kitchen wastewater. And the second one is, the non-woven bamboo grease trap was effective in lowering the concentration of suspended solid, oil and grease in kitchen wastewater. So, this is my Gantt chart for PSM1 from week 1 until week 15. And this is the reference that I use. Thank you.